Hola people, Bree Slay here, aka the beauty plug, all that connection to your beautiful. And yes, I have on my B earrings for Bree, of course, and for Beyoncé. I'm Beyonce, and this video that I have for you today is on Beyonce's new fragrance. So if you want the real tea on the tea on the tea, then come on now, you know what to do. Okay, y'all, so today is like gonna be epic for me because I love Beyonce. I originally was gonna order it, and then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna order it, her new perfume, and then smelled it on two of my friends and was like, what is that? I'm like, oh, it's smelling like a smell, so I need to get it just because, for the simple fact I love Beyonce and I need to have it. And today, I'm going to do an unboxing with you. I was waiting for this perfume to come, and it took forever to get here. So, I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys. We're going to smell it together. And this is not my first smell, but this is my unboxing of my bottle. And I'm going to give you all the details on how I feel about this new Beyoncé, okay? So I may post this on What's New Wednesday, or I may be very excited and post it before then, because Beyonce deserves a day of her own. It don't even necessarily have to be on What's New Wednesdays. The box is boxing and wasn't prepared for this. So one moment. Well, let me get my life together, okay? This is on this channel, we do stuff live, okay? And real on this channel, okay? So I am attempting to open this right now. Oh, okay, she's difficult. Shout out to let me just give you a little sneak of what I got on. Oop. Shout out to Fashion Nova, okay? Yes, I love luxury and I love affordable. All right, so c'est Noir, okay? C'est short for Beyonce. Beyonce Noir. Noir is black, of course. And this is the packaging. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce. Beyonce, you tried it. It don't even come in a bigger bottle. That's the only bottle that come in, 1.7. Okay? And I believe the cost of this bottle was $1 and change. Don't quote me, I don't remember. But this goes with her Renaissance theme. As you can see, my theme is Renaissance as well, and my where I'm recording right now, and my old recording beauty room was silver as well. So this is said to have notes of clementine, mid notes of rose absolute, jasmine sandback, base notes of myrrh and amber, and also I missed the top note. The top note also has golden honey in it. Now, when I smell this, my friend and my friend's bottle, it reminded me of something, because you know I'm gonna tell you what it reminds me of. And it reminded me, if you took Fenty by Riri and Delina by Parfums and smushed them together, you got C'est Noir, okay? Now, at first I was like, do I need it? But I was like, come on, it's Beyonce, you have to have it. But then when I started smelling it on other people, I was like, oh no, this is something. This is saying something. So this is it, C'est Noir. It's, like I said, silver. This is the sleeve for the packaging, 1.7 fluid ounce. And it opens just like typical box. And here it is. Of course it's silver. Now, I'm going to be 100% with you. I feel like the packaging could have been better. I feel like the packaging, I'm talking about what the fragrance, the juice is in. It gave me a little cheap. It's plasticky. I feel like if the bottle was more heavy, more of a glass consistency. So the top feels like heavy, but the bottle feels very cheap, unfortunately. In the front, it says C'est Noir, and then it has Beyonce on the bottom. Okay, so no. So this feels like luxury when you take it out. Look at it. Child, I could put, yes, honey. I could put my lipstick on in this. I could put my whole face on in this. Yes, it's a mirrored bottle. This is what I don't like. This is what's feeling kind of cheapy. You hear it? It's like plastic. However, I think that the bottle itself is not. If the bottle itself is glass, or yeah, it is glass or heavier plastic, and you can see a window to kind of like test and see how much fragrance you have left. So this is the packaging. Now let's get to the good stuff, which is the juice. Okay. Now I'm gonna spray it on this card here. Acting like I don't know what it smells like. Yeah, let me tell you something. When I first spray it, I smell Rihanna Fenty. And then you start smelling Delina. And it doesn't say that there's any lychee in here. But Delina, if I'm not mistaken, has Rose Absolute in it as well. This is a grown and sexy scent. And I feel like, even though it would be appealing to all age ranges, but mostly the grown and sexy crowd. So we talking about over 25. And could I see a man getting away with this? Absolutely. But does it lean more feminine? Absolutely. It's sexy. It's different, but also not so different that it's not likable. Beyonce did her thing with this. And at first I was like, oh, what's the big? But when it sits on the skin and you smell it on someone else, like, I feel like the projection, the sillage is amazing. Even though you kind of feel like after a while it turns into a skin scent. No, we're going to spray it on my hand. We're going to do the test. We're going to spray it on my hand, come back in about 5 minutes, and I'm going to let you know what the deal is, how it's smelling. Yeah, I smell Rihanna Fenty when I spray it. And then it dies down into Delina. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. On me, I don't know what's coming through. That's smelling a little medicinal, but still good at the same time. So this is a signature worthy scent. Because as likable as it may be, it's also different enough to be a signature scent. And then it's funny because I get a little Oriana in there too on my skin. Parfums de Molly Oriana. That kind of like sweet marshmallow smell. Yeah, Beyonce. I was gonna get it anyway, but I was on some, it's all right. No. Beyonce, you did that. And have even more respect for the fragrance after going to see the Renaissance movie. Because, listen, that's why you always give people the opportunity and don't prejudge or judge. So a lot of people were saying that in this last concert, her last tour, that she's not moving as much as she used to, and she ain't dancing as much as she used to, and she ain't doing the things that she ain't like the old Beyonce. She just, and if you didn't watch the Renaissance movie, don't let me spoil it for you, so you can stop right here. But Beyonce, if you watch the movie, Beyonce was on that tour after just having knee surgery. Y'all can't even do that with no knee surgery. Y'all can't even walk up the flight of stairs. Y'all can't even do a two-step. So simmer down. Anyway, back to this. So this, I would say, this is amazing. Now that the packaging is out of this casing, because let me tell you something. I don't really like this. It's going to sit on my dresser because I think this is going to look cute on the dresser. But this gives me cheapy. I think the sound and all of that. So this, though, I like this. I'm going to keep this on my dresser because my room, this is the theme in my room. This color, silver, And yeah. So, does it stay or slay? Baby, you know that this thing slays. Okay? And I'm telling you now, go and get it. Go and get it for you. Go and get it. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. It's reasonably priced. I mean, if you look at niche fragrances and other fragrances, like, you're going to spend over something. You're going to spend over a certain amount. So, yeah, 1.7. I wish Beyonce, you would come out with a bigger bottle. But maybe this was just her first launch to see how it was received by the public. I'm telling you now, this would be a great signature scent. So, in summary, go and get it, Beyonce. Go and get the C'est Noir, and that's it, okay? Don't forget, I had to be a mother and attend to mother duties, like Beyonce, because Beyonce had her babies on tour. Anyway, listen, go ahead and get it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for coming back, for your support. If you haven't subscribed already, come in. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to subscribe. I don't even know why we're going through this. You know you want to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. Period, Pooh. As always, stay elevated, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay blessed.